Master El Morya, guardian of divinity and spiritual enlightenment. Also known as El Morya Khan, Master El Morya, Lord El Morya, Lord El Morya. In the spiritual hierarchy, Master El Morya stands as a beacon of strength, guiding souls on their journey towards self-realization and alignment with their divine purpose. Known for his association with the first ray, the ray of divine will, Master El Morya embodies the principles of leadership, determination, and unwavering faith in the power of the divine will, harmonizing colors of red and blue. Master El Morya's energy is often depicted through the colors red and blue. The vibrant red symbolizes action, courage, and the passion to pursue one's life purpose, while the serene blue represents clarity, wisdom, and the depth of one's soul mission. Together, these colors create a harmonious balance, encouraging individuals to lead with both heart and mind. Focus on life purpose and soul mission. The primary focus of Master El Morya's teachings is to assist individuals in discovering and fulfilling their life purpose and soul mission. He emphasizes the importance of aligning one's will with the divine will, ensuring that every action taken is in service to the greater good and in harmony with one's highest potential. Heart chakra and throat chakra, centers of love and expression. Master El Morya's energy resonates strongly with the heart chakra and the throat chakra. By working with these energy centers, individuals can cultivate a deep sense of love, compassion, and empathy, while also finding the courage to express their truths and stand firmly in their convictions. Master El Morya encourages us to speak from the heart, ensuring our words and actions are infused with love and integrity. Planetary influence of Mercury. Aligned with the planet Mercury, Master El Morya supports swift communication, intellectual growth, and the ability to navigate life's challenges with agility and insight. Mercury's influence aids in the clear articulation of one's divine purpose, enabling individuals to share their visions and inspire others to awaken to their own spiritual paths. Signs and symbols. The deep red heart with a diamond at the center. One of the most powerful symbols associated with Master El Morya is the deep red heart with a diamond at its center. This symbol represents the strength and purity of the heart's desires when aligned with the divine will. The diamond signifies the unbreakable spirit and the crystalline clarity of one's intentions when guided by love and divine wisdom. Guidance and protection on the spiritual path. Master El Morya offers his guidance and protection to all who seek to align with their divine purpose. Through meditation, prayer, and contemplation, individuals can connect with his powerful energy, receiving insights and inspiration to overcome obstacles and embrace their spiritual journey with confidence and grace. Within the spiritual realms, Master El Morya stands as a towering figure, embodying the essence of the first ray of divine will, which radiates in hues of both red and blue. These colors symbolize the fusion of drive, willpower, confidence, and strength. As the Chohan of the first ray, Master El Morya is the custodian of divine creation and foundational structure, representing the omnipotent will of God and presiding over the temple of the will of God. Master El Morya's mission is to uphold the sanctity of universal spiritual laws, guiding individuals towards the realization of their highest spiritual potential. His dominion extends over the realms of willpower, personal drive, and the fortitude to lead. This makes him a guiding light for rulers, leaders, public servants, executives, military personnel, athletes, and anyone who seeks the inspiration to achieve greatness. His presence brings forth a wave of enthusiasm, motivation, encouragement, and passion. He is a beacon for faith, stability, energy, psychic defense, and the wisdom to make life-affirming choices. Master El Morya's influence is a catalyst for those eager to elevate their consciousness and achieve self-awareness, guiding them to articulate their deepest thoughts and emotions. He is particularly adept at awakening the spiritually reluctant, gently steering them towards the path of enlightenment. Master El Morya strengthens our resolve and encourages us to embrace a higher spiritual calling, offering clarity on our life's purpose and how best to employ our gifts in service to that mission. He teaches the virtues of faith, courage, and the soul's willingness to trust in divine guidance. Under his guidance, we learn to recognize and honor the divine light within ourselves and in others. Shielding his followers from negative influences, Master El Morya ensures that we remain focused, grounded, and dedicated to our journey of learning, healing, and teaching with integrity and positive intent. He champions the cause of courage and trust, instilling in us the confidence to have faith in our inner voice and our connection to universal forces. Master El Morya reminds us that distrust breeds fear and uncertainty, clouding our judgment and dampening our intuition and creativity. Conversely, trust empowers us with courage and self-assurance, propelling us forward with vigor, passion, and determination. Master El Morya's teachings are transformative, sparking profound change wherever stagnation lies. He challenges outdated beliefs, breaks down archaic patterns of behavior, and fosters personal growth through the mastery of willpower and resilience amidst adversity. In essence, Master El Morya invites us to leap into the unknown with faith, embracing change as the vehicle for spiritual advancement and the manifestation of our true purpose. Through his profound wisdom and support, we are inspired to live boldly, aligning our will with the divine for the greater good of all. Master El Morya, a journey of spiritual mastery and divine guidance. Master El Morya, a spiritual beacon within the Ascended Masters, carries the vibrations of the numbers 4, 13, and 31, symbolizing stability, transformation, and intuition. Once known as Ranbir Singh, his ascension granted him the revered title of Lord El Morya. His past incarnations span across various epochs and cultures, embodying pivotal figures such as Abraham, the wise Melchior, the legendary King Arthur, the Mughal Emperor Akbar, the Tibetan Mahatma El Morya Khan, and the poet Thomas Moore. In his celestial endeavors, Master El Morya collaborates closely with Archangel Michael, forming a formidable alliance of protection and spiritual fortitude. He shares an eternal bond with his twin flame, Sashita Kaur. Together, they reside over their ethereal retreat, the Temple of God's Will in Darjeeling, India, a sanctuary for those seeking alignment with divine intention. Master El Morya's spiritual guidance encompasses a myriad of aspects crucial to human evolution, fostering faith and trust within oneself, enabling a deeper connection to one's intuition and divine guidance, assisting in decision-making processes and the cultivation of positive life choices, thereby steering individuals towards their highest potential. Providing grounding, helping souls anchor their spiritual energy within the physical realm for balanced living. Offering psychic and energetic protection, shielding against negative influences, and maintaining spiritual purity. Strengthening willpower, empowering individuals to overcome obstacles and persist in their endeavors. Illuminating one's life purpose and inspiring action towards fulfilling one's soul mission. Infusing the will and energy needed to realize goals and aspirations, bridging the gap between dream and reality. Facilitating spiritual development and expansion, guiding souls towards broader consciousness and deeper understanding. Catalyzing change in areas primed for advancement, ensuring continual personal and collective evolution. Master El Morya stands as a testament to the transformative power of aligning with divine will. Through his guidance, individuals are encouraged to trust in their path, harness their inner strength, and embrace their unique role in the tapestry of the universe. His teachings not only inspire spiritual growth, but also the realization of one's innate potential, paving the way for a life of purpose, fulfillment, and divine connection. If you are new to the channel and this topic resonated with you, don't forget to subscribe, like, leave your comments, and share. Together we can learn and expand our knowledge on this spiritual journey, allowing us to achieve the life we truly deserve. Thank you, thank you, thank you.